Okay, students, today we're going to be talking about some different kinds of shapes. The first shapes we're going to be talking about are all going to be 2D shapes, and then the second are going to be all 3D shapes. Our first 2D shape is going to be a square. I'm sure all of you have seen a square before. A square is going to have 4 flat sides. They're all going to be straight, and they're all going to be the same exact sides. They're going to be all equal. This is going to be a square. It's nice and flat, so that's what's going to make it a 2D shape, not a 3D shape. Our second shape, just like a square, but it's a little bit different, is a rectangle. Rectangles are going to have 4 straight sides, just like a square, but 2 of them are going to be a little bit longer than the other 2, which is going to make this a rectangle. It is flat again, just like a square, so that's what's going to make this into a 2D shape and not a 3D shape. Our next shape is a circle. Circles are round, so they're going to have no straight sides like a square or rectangle. It's going to be round all the way around. And what makes this a circle is it's going to be equal from the center out to the edge every way you look. So it's going to be the same. And that's a circle. And it's flat, just like our square and our rectangle, so that's what's going to make this a 2D shape. It's nice and flat. Our next shape is an oval. This is very similar to a circle, but it's a little bit more oblong shape. Kind of reminds me of an egg. It's going to have round edges again, all the way around, so we're going to have no flat sides like a square or rectangle, no straight edges. It's going to be all a circle. The only thing that is different with this than a circle is that all the way to the edge from the center is not always going to be the same distance, because a couple of the edges are more long. And this is flat, just like the rest of them, which means this is a 2D shape as well. Next, we have a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. They're all going to be nice and straight and flat, just like a square or a rectangle, but it's only going to have 3, which is going to make it into a triangle shape. They can all be the same size, or they can be different sizes. And it's flat, just like the rest of them. This is a 2D shape. Our last 2D shape that we're going to be talking about today is a diamond. I'm sure many of you have heard of a diamond before. Diamond, it kind of looks like a square, but the sides that are straight, like a square, it has 4 of them, aren't going to be straight up and down than a square. This is what a square looks like. This is what a diamond looks like. See how the sides don't match up? Like this one has 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. But a diamond has them across from each other. They're not the same. This is flat too, just like all the rest of them, which is going to make this one a 2D shape as well. And that is our last 2D shape. So all the 2D shapes that we talked about today, first one was a square, and the second one was a rectangle. Third one was a circle. The fourth one was an oval. The fifth one was a triangle. And last but not least, we talked about a diamond. Those are all the 2D shapes we're going to be learning about today. Next, we're going to be learning about 3D shapes.